Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard in Lightning Experience Salesforce. Dashboards are incredibly useful for visualizing your data and getting quick insights into your sales performance. So let's dive right in and create one from scratch. First, you'll want to select the Dashboard tab at the top part of your Salesforce interface. This is where all your dashboards live and where you'll manage them. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on New Dashboard. This action opens up the creation wizard where you'll configure your new dashboard. Now you'll need to enter a name for your dashboard. Something descriptive like Sales Overview works perfectly, as it immediately tells you what data you're looking at. You can also add a description if you want to provide more context about what this dashboard tracks, though this step is optional. Next, you'll need to select a folder where your dashboard will be stored. By default, it'll go into private dashboards, but you can choose any folder that makes sense for your organization. Once you've got everything set up, click Create to move forward. Now comes the fun part, adding widgets from your reports. Click the plus widget button in the top toolbar. This opens up a selection menu where you can choose from your existing reports. Browse through the list and select the source report you want to visualize. Then click Select to confirm your choice. You'll now see options to choose your chart type. Salesforce offers various visualization options like bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs, so pick whichever best represents your data. You can also customize the title of your widget and adjust the widget theme along with many other settings to match your preferences. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click Add. The widget will appear on your dashboard grid and you can drag and resize it to position it exactly where you want it. To fine-tune your dashboard's overall appearance and settings, click the gear icon for properties in the top right. Here you can set View Dashboard As, which determines whose data the dashboard displays. You might choose Me to see your own data or Dashboard Viewer to show data relevant to whoever is viewing it. Under Dashboard Grid Size, select either 12 columns or 9 columns depending on how you want your layout structured. You can also choose between light or dark theme and pick a color palette that suits your style. Once everything looks good, click Save, then click Done, and if prompted, click Save again to finalize all your changes. You've now created a fully functional dashboard in Lightning Experience Salesforce that visualizes your key metrics. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.